Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thank you so much for joining me here. I hope you're having a great day. We're taking a little look here at Phantom. Got a lot of requests for this one here from our community, and figure we go ahead and take a quick look here, see what's going on. It's definitely cranking, doing very, very well. A lot, same with most of the market right now, mainly because Bitcoin is breaching 30,000 right now. It's trying really hard to get through that level, which is odd for a weekend to have this kind of momentum. So it's a positive sign for the market. So Phantom is definitely looking good here. So what we want to look at is a few key factors. And just before we do, let me go ahead and make sure we got the right information up here. And quickly note too, also, if you're new to the channel, welcome aboard. Looking forward to working with you. We have a Crypto Cash Premium group if you'd like to consider joining. We got a lot of trade signals to provide. And also, of course, the Trading Academy and wonderful community too here. So I got some really cool traders here. It's a lot of fun to be able to interact and work with you. So just know, link down below for that. We are going to be limiting the amount of members coming over just based on sheer volume, making sure that we have enough one-on-one attention with our members. So bear that in mind. That is an option there for you. So link down below for that. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out. Love to hear from you. Telegram, Discord, and Twitter are all good mediums to reach out. So when it comes to Phantom, we want to talk about the big picture and work our way down. Thing to note here is we've broken this descending trend. This consistency in lower highs has officially been broken. Okay. Now the important thing here is for this next high to be higher than the most recent one. The key takeaway here though is that the initial one is definitely looking good. And what I mean by that is the most recent high here, we broke through that soundly, and the price hasn't looked back since. But it's important to cover and to come above this one here as well. Okay. So that's an important factor there. So just bear that in mind. Definitely looking pretty good here in the sense where we've shifted that bearish momentum to a very strong bullish candle. Granted, today's candle hasn't closed yet, but it's still something to note. Take a look at the MACD. We converged here, of course. Most coins are seeing this here today. We can also see as well that RSI is up over 50, but not quite to 70, so we're not truly overextended just yet. 4-hour time frame tells us a slightly different story. We are overextending ourselves at the RSI closer to 90. And in its history, anytime we've come up over 90, which is right here, let's go ahead and give this perspective. Right here at this level, we hit 90 on the RSI. Okay. Price continued higher. So keep in mind, just because we're up over 90 right now, doesn't mean it's going to just stop because it's overextended. Overextension is a good thing to kind of trade into, but it's also important to note that this has a lot of momentum and that's continuing very strong. The market is overall bullish. Okay. Taking a look at liquidity and fair value, we can see there's a decent amount of fair value left here, but also some liquidity to be swept. Okay? I wouldn't be surprised if we see 21 cents and then the price pulls back. But leading into that, we definitely have some value here down below, right in the range of about 19 to 19.5 cents. Okay? So overall, Phantom is looking pretty strong. And the truth is, you don't really want to bet against this. If you do short, tight profit targets, do not use large leverage or large position sizing. Okay? It's recommended to kind of be careful in environments like this because things are moving pretty fast and these things can happen quickly. Taking a look at the hourly, let's go ahead and wrap this up here for you. And just note that on each Mocha Cloud, we have all green lights here to leave your long position open. So trading into this or against this is not really ideal. It will have to plateau and eventually just subside, at one point. But for right now, we don't have like a tremendous amount of volume accumulation at one level. Most of our volume is accumulated there at about 17.5 cents. So if you got in there, very well done. Comment below. Let me know if you actually got in earlier here and where your entry is, and if you're long or short right now. I would say that shorting is disadvantageous consideration, but you got to recognize we are getting pretty overextended here. We should have hit an overextended state at about 19.25, and we're breaching 20.5 right now. So this is definitely a situation where the price action has a good actually 3 hours of bullish continuation above where it should have pulled back. Okay. Likely some short squeezes or just, bears are nowhere in sight right now. It seems like there are no bears this weekend here. Take a look at it here as well. Bitcoin just broke 30,000. It's a pretty big deal for a lot of coins. We're going to start seeing some big surges there because 30,000 is kind of like that landmark for a lot of coins. All right, so what are your thoughts? Comment below. Let me know what you're thinking here with Phantom. It's definitely looking pretty strong. Love to hear more about what you're considering doing with your trades. And if you want to jump on over to our Discord, we have a really awesome group here where we all learn and grow together. And just make sure that we're, working together towards a common goal of being profitable. And whether or not you're part of my premium group and benefiting from those trade signals, or you're utilizing just the general chat there where we can all kind of learn and grow together, no matter what, it's awesome to be able to have that partnership. So thanks again to all my wonderful community members. Link down below if you want to continue becoming a awesome part of what we have to offer here. CryptoCash.tech is a site. Link down below. Hope you have a good rest of your day. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.